Hello everyone, welcome to the next topic, photosynthesis. It is a part of nutrition in plants, how plants make their food and why they need food, why they need oxygen and carbon dioxide. So, firstly, we will understand the meaning of photosynthesis. All green plants carry out a biochemical process is known as photosynthesis. The chemicals that are used in the forms of photosynthesis takes place. Basically, the leaves are the main parts that make food. Why the plants are in the plants, the only leaves are the gaseous exchange. That is, plants give out carbon dioxide, CO2. Now, you students know that plants give out carbon dioxide. Now, when and why plants take oxygen, that is O2. They take oxygen while they do respiration. The process of taking in carbon dioxide and oxygen is using different chemicals by called photosynthesis. Basically, two processes are taking place in the plant that are during the entire day and night. The plants taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. The process of photosynthesis occurs only during the day. In the respiration time, the photosynthesis gives in oxygen and gives out the carbon dioxide. While the process of photosynthesis, they used to take in the carbon dioxide and gives out the oxygen. It releases the oxygen. With the help of leaves, they prepare food. Basically, how the food making process is taking place in the plants. You know that plants need sunlight, that is energy, and carbon dioxide and water from the soil. It takes out or release oxygen while making food, and the leaves that are green, it has a chlorophyll due to green pigment. So, the green plants are the producers because it contains chlorophyll. So, let us know the process of photosynthesis takes place in the leaves in the following steps. The word photosynthesis is derived from two words that means photo, it means light, and synthesis means to combine. So, the process is making food in green plants in the presence of sunlight known as photosynthesis. During the process, light energy that comes from the sun. The light energy that comes from the sun is converted into chemical energy. In the leaves, the tiny pores present mostly on the undersides of leaves. These are called stomata. Each stomata is surrounded by two guard cells. Leaves absorb carbon dioxide from air through stomata. The roots absorb waters and minerals from the soil. The waters and minerals are nutrients absorbed by the roots get transported to the leaves. These are the roots. They absorb water and minerals and nutrients and take place from the leaves by the pipes or tubes which run through the entire plants, forming a vessel system. Now, second, the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment that present in the plants, basically in the leaves. Chlorophyll captures energy from the sun and sunlight and uses it to prepare food and carbon dioxide with water. This process of collection of simple substances such as water, minerals from the soil, carbon dioxide, sunlight, air, utilizing source of energy and conversion of the simple substances into glucose. What the plants prepare? That is glucose. In the last they formed glucose. So the whole process is known as photosynthesis. Thank you.